friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have bought tutorial of pencil case. So let's get started. Here are the materials you will need. Printed foam sheet, red and green plain foam sheet, plain and printed felt sheet. If you don't have these, so you can use any other sheets also. Glue, bamboo sticks. If you don't have bamboo sticks, you could use pencil too. Red satin ribbon, colorful sheets, some plain white sheets too, any kind of tape. You could use fabric tape also, craft knife, a pair of scissors, pencil, hot glue gun, ruler, thumb pins, glitter foam sheet, and different kind of fabric tapes. And at last, you will need thin cardboard and mount board. These are both important for making this pencil case. Now cut out heart shapes from cardboard and mount board. To make it strong, cut out 2 hearts from mount board and stick together all these with hot glue gun and cut out any excess. Now take tape and glue it on edge with the help of hot glue gun or any liquid glue. Now take colorful or white sheet and cover the heart with it. Now take felt sheet and stick it onto heart. Now cut out strip from mount board which length should be 99 cm and breadth should be 2.5 cm. Now stick the strip onto the foam sheet with the help of hot glue gun. Now flip it to cover from both sides. Now take strip and glue it on the boundary of heart. Similarly, do it with other 2 hearts also. Now stack all three hearts together and take any empty pen and try to punch hole at same place in three of them. Make sure that your hole should be equal to the diameter of your pencil or bamboo stick. Take circle from transparent sheet and glue it with thumb pen. Insert thumb pin in pencil or bamboo stick. Now pass pencil through the hole and cut the extra of thumb pin with cutter or craft knife. Now take decorative fabric tape and glue it on the edges to give a cleaner look. Do this with other hearts also. Now glue thumb pin onto the pencil. Now glue pencil on the cardboard. Now take 3 triangles from thick cardboard with hole in center. Paste all 3 of them together. Now cover these triangles with colored sheet or felt sheet. Insert these triangles into the pencil and glue it onto the surface. Now insert second heart through the pencil and do this process again. Now take the third piece and do it same as other two pieces. Now cut the top of the pencil using craft knife. Similarly, insert again thumb pin into the pencil and chop off the excess. Now take fourth heart, mark 5 cm. Cut it horizontally. Paste the bottom part as shown. Now take red satin ribbon, cut extra from the length which is needed. Now fold the corners in and glue it so that there is no thread pulling. Now paste the ribbon half on the bottom edge and half on the top edge. Now take heart template, cut heart from the middle just as shown. Now cut heart boundary and middle heart from these foam sheets. Glue these foam sheets on the surface. Now take thin strips from sparkle foam sheet. These are 0.7 cm in width. Now glue these strips as shown. Now again take strips which are 0.5 cm in width and cover as shown. This part is totally optional. I'm using hair stickers. You can use whatever you have or you can leave it as it is. Now cut out strips from cardboard for making compartment. Cover it with colored or simple foam sheet. I made only one compartment. You can make as many you want. So here it is completed. I hope you liked my efforts, and if so, then don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye and take care.